Right, what's going on? What's going on, everybody? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon to anyone watching this all around the world, wherever country you may be. Hope that you are safe during these times. Yeah, let's get started with this live stream. So today we are gonna be starting with my loss of the week, which is what is happening here? UV. Idea why that came. Anyways, yeah, Silver turned around. Good morning. I don't know. Good afternoon, King Jade, wherever you may be. Okay, now I know why. Fuck. Anyways, I did turn around. Although I did kind of expect this. This was probably my bad. Like I saw that we were approaching that rejection zone. We could have closed by this lower low here when price hit here. And then what happened was, it bounced back up and hit our stop. Unfortunately, these things do happen. And it was to be expected. I should have managed, but I think this hit. I must have. Oh, exactly the time when. So yeah, I did not see that, but it's all good. Like for these pairs, I'm kind of still starting, to understand the way I should be taking trades here, and it's always the same thing. For higher time frames, there's still, like the trade idea was not wrong for the most part. We did break down those two daily higher lows in the past. We were expecting it to push back down, but what happened was again, we got some pending orders from buyers. Boom. Actually, yes. Your question, does silver correlate with gold? Yeah. So when this happened yesterday during the live stream, if you remember, we hit this same time when we were about to end, and this move actually happened the same. The structure here for gold actually very similar. So metals do tend to move in the same manner, especially for gold and silver. But we do see that the same on palladium and platinum, but not exactly. No, it's not absolute. Here for palladium, what we can see is that it did push down. We did see a higher push, a bigger push, I mean. But it stayed in more of a range as opposed to for gold. What we can see here is that it pushed down, yeah, but it created a new leg. My created another pullback here instead of a range. So for platinum, same, silver, push. I should have stayed on to the news as well. Well, this is part of trading. This is just one loss out of the many wins that I've had so far. This month I am 8 for 10, or I'll check again. But yeah, I'm just starting to get back into the metals. Well, actually, I'm just starting with gold, with silver, and the other metals. I've always traded gold. This has been my favorite pair ever since. Yeah, it happened. But anyways, King Jade, what are your pairs for today? What do you think? Like, let's go back to Euro CHF. I think that's what we checked out yesterday. Oh my god, let's go. Let's go. Are you still in this trade? We are up. How many pips is this? Price range. Up. Well, we hit about 70 pips, but now we are sitting at 55 pips. I hope you stayed into this trade. That's a pretty nice bag right there. Pretty. Stop should have been actually higher than you. I'm probably gonna see this play from yesterday. I do not exactly remember, but I think I said that if I were to enter probably here. Or maybe you did enter. Oh, you're not taking them at this moment. That's alright. But that is pretty cool to have that entry here. And that's about 55 pips. Like, that's nice practice. Mental trading is something that every trader that should always practice. Every day. Every day as much as possible. Every day is trading. Your life is trading. Ups and downs. Higher lows and higher highs, lower highs and lower lows. Trade that I got with this trade with silver, just another lower higher low. We're just gonna look for that next higher high to break. NZDHF. I'm calling them out loud. That's nice. And yeah, continuation buys. Okay, go ahead and check that out. Yeah. So quick rundown. Of course, my charts are not as clean. Are there? Sure. Just put a lower high here. Up. Pass. Oh, act. Let's go to the probably gonna look. That risk. GD happened already. TP hit already. Oh my god, that's insane though. We can still actually get one more if. Oh shit, that is. Well, but man, like I could still take some buys here. And it's like the real estate. See. 4 hour NZD USD after the break of the 4 hour lower high, go on the 15 minute and wait till. Alright, bro. Go ahead and check that once we finish this. Okay, so I'm not gonna be looking for buys anymore since we've already been sitting in this projection zone for quite a while. I'll be looking for some sells instead. Below this daily higher low, safest, that would be the best. Like, that's so clean entry. Mark this up. Short position under this last higher low. Ups. We'll wait for price. Mark that up. Bags up as much as I would like to. Still good though. Like broke that higher high, right? Continuation there. Boom. Break. Retest. Bah. That's a good what? Is a 55 pips. Another 55 pips. Damn, King Jade, you've been taking so many plays. Go. Let's go, King. So this is for a sell. So let's now go to NZD USD. Check out Nick's trade from yesterday is now completely pushed back up. So we are rejection play after the break of the 4-hour lower high with this. Go on the 15-minute and wait for the higher. It have are you looking for a rejection play up close to this? Tell me what you 15-minute. Rejection zone entry for cells. Cells. Gonna take some cells probably. Quick cells here. Port entry trade. Hit. How many? Ooh. So if we break above this, we're actually quite good. Could be a good like 68191. Go from here. $15. Right? I'm honestly 681 15. I'm on the 15. Where the fuck? I'm sorry guys, like this is 68191, right? So oh, I see you. I see you. Fuck there. Ah, so you got some entries here? Guys, me? I did not see. I'm sorry. Not see on the chat if you called that play. But that's a pretty good entry. Back from got another hitting a lot. 37 pip. Our range. Entry wants it. Oh, that was pretty brave of you guys. Like look here because we were close to like this area where we had a lot of orders from both buyers and sellers. 4 hour. Let's Okay, so it broke here. Okay, it broke that 4-hour lower high. And on the 15-minute. Ah, I see now. Fuck. Okay, my B. No idea what's wrong with me today. I'm gonna get my pen tablet so I can explain to the guys that are also watching that do not understand the breakdown of. Oh, give me a sec, guys. Need to send.
What's going on, Jason?
What's going on? Good morning.
You can share your screen. Are we on the stream?
Yep. We are on the stream.
Very cool.
Okay, let me just get my. Alright, so let's make a quick breakdown of this trade that King Jade and Nick were talking about. So basically what happened here was they were looking for the break of that 4-hour lower high. Once that broke, they took that entry on the 15-minute. Saw that my annotate. So they saw that break here. That it? That the trade that you guys took? That's a pretty nice trade. Took it from there. That would have been somewhat of like 40 pips again. 37 pips. 40. Took it up to that next lower high in 50 pips. Oh, you waited. Oh, I'm sorry. They waited for that higher high to break down, and then they entered from. A quick 38 pips. Very nice. Very nice.
Nice, guys. Take a look at S&P real quick. Took some S&P sells last night, and then nothing really else on there. And then gold right now as well. It's a little bit consolidated, but we'll take a look at S&P first. Yeah, so you get rid of the lines that you have there. Just hide them. Yeah. So on the 15 here, nothing too crazy. We have this. This was kind of just sitting within here. So once we did break, that was a clean move. It wasn't a clean move. I was actually kind of up and down with this whole thing because hold on. Give me 1 second. So yeah, took those short-term S&P buy sells. Nothing too complex about that, except that we were against a higher time frame structure, which is, no question why it resulted in the, let's say, level of consolidation that it has. Ultimately, this is still, very viable for another long back to the upside, especially with such a finish like this, towards the end of the day yesterday. So, Yeah, I mean, 1,000% aggressive on this for the sell. Um, but yeah, I mean, ultimately, I was going to shut it down if we did successfully break through here. But we can just see that this just slowly just consolidated into London. And then here we are now, about 2 minutes and 40 something seconds out from the US equity market opening up. So we'll see what that gives us today. But you add that one little short term sell off the rejection zone, draw this level, Jason, and then drop to the 5.
Which level? Below or above?
Below. And then drop to the 5. Move to the left so we can see the level. Yeah, so basically, once this started to push through, you could have taken that after pushing off of the rejection zone. And then you would have seen this. I happened to just be up when this pushed, so I was lucky on that.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, all in all, just short term play, a little bit aggressive, and then gold right now is just a little bit more consolidated.
King Jade said that he took a mental buy on gold. Another mental buy? Come on, take the plays. I would have waited, but took the buy from here, probably on the one. $2 points. Gold is gold is gold. Gold is gold. So yeah, we were talking about earlier on the live stream, when the start at the start of the live stream, about this trade on silver, on how it's completely now reversed and hit my stop loss. And I had to sell some 4 hour low. Ah, gotcha. Is here from oh, that would have been clean though.
US equity market is now opened up. Let's see what happens. We're very curious to see what happens on gold, especially.
Mm-hmm.
If I can, I'd like to attack some more gold longs.
Yeah.
Aside from that, nothing else really crazy going on right now in the market space. Crypto's over there a little bit.
I'm not checked
Little
cryptos
bit,
yet today.
little bit range bound.
Oh yeah, you can share your screenshots. You can share ending order on that 4 hour lower. pending orders for the cells. Oh, you mean for when you took that ball. But if you're gonna be looking for cells, yeah, but this in this up. Cryptos. Crazy, but still would not like to end. It looks pretty good. Um, since nothing good, looks good there. Look at some forex majors. Ooh, we have a good play on Euro USD. Okay, daily higher low, bro. We are. Hmm. Nah. Now looking at it, I don't want. Probably, probably above the lower highs. The play already happened. Should have been from here.
Can you send links in YouTube lives?
Links of what? Jason's check the links I sent. Links where? Sorry. I have no idea. You can send them on Discord. I can open them from there. Sorry, yeah, I don't know where the links you sent are in the general chat. Did you send them just now or from yesterday? Yeah, general chat should be good so that everyone can see too. It's all good, man. Don't be shy. Come on. Oh, okay. Uh, I guess you can send it directly if you'd like on Discord. Yeah, here you go. Go ahead or send on the general chat so that people can also know the what we're talking about, so that they can also go on to the live stream if they would like, or if they would also like to share their own charts so that we can go ahead and break them down as well. Tough. Tough. USD CAD for cells. Right, thank you for sending that. Let me just open that really quick.
Silver's looking to break out.
Alright, here, so we have in Jade's chart here. There, this is on gold. Pending orders were from here. That was a pretty projection.
Nice, that's clean.
So this wasn't just a mental buy, King Jade, right? This was pending order, so you should have gotten it. Let's go. Pretty nice. Our next one here. Oh, this one's more from like the 1 hour. Pretty. I would close them right. Good bag, right? Silver. Fuck you, Silver.
Chasing.
Ah. Daily higher low. Holding. Not able to push down. That's good for you, man. Good for you.
Wow, everything is just consolidated today, huh?
I know. See. Check all the pairs we have. Thank you for the shout out right there, King Jade. I guess we still have to figure out like um time zones for everyone. That's like it's different for everyone, of course. And we usually open on New York on our New York live streams at 9 a.m. just after it opens at 8 a.m. right? Markets exactly 8 9, then equity open at 9:30. So that's why we do this in the in the afternoons. We could definitely set one up in the future for people. Probably 4 5 ish EST. Then have one more if London sessions though. Those are my favorite ones. London sessions here in the Philippines is at 2 p.m. So that's like after lunch, you're ready to trade. Like, oh, London, let's go. And then after London session, evening, there's New York session. But now my body clock is, oh, you're so at the same time zone with Albert, Nick, and Ed. So yeah, well, technically me too, because my body clock is at the EST time zone as well. It's difficult, man, because like catching London session is at 2 a.m. at Eastern. 2 a.m. 3. It's like, oh, what? I think it's 2 a.m. now because like time zone change. 2 a.m. 3 a.m. So yeah. NZD USD. Well, I'm not gonna look at any forex pairs for now. Check, of course, my favorite one for GBP. Very shitty. is happening today? For the definitely need to some so much volume though. Yeah, it is a lot of volume.
Markets are flat right now, though. Let's see
Why?
if we get a better.
I'm
See if we get a better
sorry.
push though.
What was your question, King Jade? Was it why Euro GBP was my favorite pair? It was one of my favorite pairs back then because of the volatility and the value. Like profit here is pretty good. Um, about to point out everything that had. Go ahead, make those calls so that we can go ahead and check. GBP pretty good continuation play here. Broke. Let's don't. Yeah, back then Euro GBP, like with pip movement, very big. So if you wanted to make big bucks, Euro GBP was the pair. Especially so I started trading somewhere 17. So yeah, here in this range bound areas, it was pretty easy trade because like although it was ranging, it like the sells and the buys here were quite easy to catch per week. In 2019, they were trying to break out of those ranges, but we're still in this range. Might break down, go back down here, but chances are low. Might just reject because of our rejection. So it's just EUDCHF buys. Go ahead and did we check this earlier today? I don't remember. Oh no, that was NZD. Buys on. Hmm. I think it already happened. Yeah, the the buy happened when this lower high here broke. This is risky area now. Like if you want to trade from here to there, go ahead. But that's like second level rejection zone. GA sells. Ah, I see that. Yeah, definitely saw that continuation play right there, right? Definitely, it's like King Jade was like, "Oh nah, never mind." Yeah, this already happened. Same on ADJPY. We just broke this daily lower high, but risky areas, risky. Well, we still have 14 minutes, so let's try to look
Let's
at as much as we can.
take a look at S&P. S&P is trying to break out short term right now. Some good vol. Look at that. Look at that on the 15. It's about 20 points right now. It's up in the last two candles.
Oh, come on, come on, S&P, show us what you got. Took all three. That's nice. Some nice bags there today.
No question, though. No question. There's so much activity week after week. You just got to be there to show up.
Oh, by the way, King Jade, do you like the background music? Like, this is non-copyrighted music, so I use it on my Spotify. I found this before. I don't know why I never used it. So even if we use this on our YouTube streams or any stream at all, Twitch or Facebook, it will not get PCMA striked. So we are safe on that. Pretty chill, like mornings, chill vibes. Still trying to look for more uh lo-fi. Like most of the non-copyright ones would be lo-fi, but the non-copyright sounds on YouTube, the YouTube channel, although they do work, at times you will get copyright strike still. So like a hit or miss.
That's why you got to wait for candle close.
You gotta wait for the candle close. Well, on the 5, how is it? Still good actually. So I'd probably wait for the 5 minute here, yeah.
Yeah, market looks good.
So 1 minute. So just 5 minute close. If it doesn't close above,
No entries for Jason.
I'm all good. Like I don't I can't even trade this. I don't know how much the value of this is. Probably very very high.
Yeah, look at that wick. It's a wick and a half. But no close.
No close. Let's go ahead.
Give
Gold
me
is
one.
what is this?
Give
Go
me
ahead.
1 second. I'm gonna wait before this post comes.
Hmm. Why is there nothing exciting today? Oh, we have those days. Today is what? It's Thursday in the markets. Probably see more movements tomorrow, if not for the next week, because we are reaching a lot of daily levels on forex pairs broken above, so we might see some continuation plays instead, some third point plays on our metals. Oh, metals still look good. I'll be looking for more sells on gold. Let's break down these higher lows. Goes above. Oh, entries on UK oil. I didn't open my credit trader. I do not have you. Have US oil. Fuck. That's that. I do have copper. Sells on copper. Definitely. Carlo here broke. Down. Thing low. Else. Too much gaps, but for sells here probably higher low.
Come here, Dante. 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 You coming? Coming?
Broke those really quick on Palladium. Oh man, I missed a lot on Palladium. What happened? Not pay attention to the pair this one.
Okay. I brought the bags out so we can go see, you know. But today I'm playing tennis with Alex, so in the back. Yeah, yeah. Two minutes and 50 seconds on this close, Jason. You got S&P breaking out. You got gold attempting to break out.
Dante, let's go bye-bye.
That was pretty nice close there. If this really closes above, yeah, about 2 minutes 20 seconds. Find out.
You know, I'm really interested in the S&P buys, but if they keep pushing like this, the move's kind of done. And rather just wait now for the higher legs to get broken. Gold, you got a nice breakout on. In 1 minute and 37 seconds.
Oh, pushing up.
You see gold?
Gold is also.
But it could get topped out.
Minute left on. Oh shoot! See that?
What?
S&P.
Big breakout.
Might be the push you've been looking for, waiting for.
Big breakout.
He didn't hit, didn't hit yet. And we have our close. Are you gonna take the buys?
No, I think we're too tight right now. I want to wait for a little bit of wait for the break of the tops now.
Gotcha. Gold. What does gold look like? Gold is still trying to break. I'd probably look for some sells here.
I actually just took some sells, Jason, on gold. Very high risk.
I would not enter yet. Probably from here.
Stops above where we are, but I kind of like the sells to run back down. What was my cost? 14.69.
1948 818. Oh, your TP for buys? Nice! But it didn't hit yet. Oh yeah, I remember you took some buys here. Okay, well, see what happens.
Gold sells moving well for us.
Your entry was at 1931. I would close. Indeed, to be honest, I would close. You're that bag. Unless you've already put stops above Stops above break even. 913618. That's a bit far, yeah. You should have definitely already adjusted your stops from since you're already above profit and higher highs. Higher low, huh? Higher low. Yeah. That's your stop loss if you can. Okay, stop loss is now. Always manage risk. Capital management.
Capital preservation there, Jason.
Exactly. Closed half already. Good.
Chasing, securing bags for people out here.
Man, gotta help people manage risk. At the end of the day, it's always that. It's not about the amount of profit, the amount of pips, the amount of points. Always capital preservation. Dinner on the 1 hour turn.
Jason.
Oh, definitely. Definitely. Yeah. Be mindful that you are close to this daily higher low, then technically your buy is technically a rejection play. So yeah. Be more cautious. We're still pretty good. There's just a lot of selling pressure here in this area. One hour. Well, I'm gonna be waiting for this to break throughout the day. We're gonna end our live stream now in an hour. So yeah, thank you everyone for everyone that joined. Thank you so much, King Jade, for being here every day.
Thank you guys for tuning in.
Right, we do this every day, Monday to Friday. There are times that we are not available, but we do our best to get up and show up to these live streams from Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. Eastern time. Yeah, I don't know how Albert takes those quick buys and sells on the lower time frame. He'd be in and out under a minute sometimes. So yeah, it's a very, very aggressive strategy. Very, very aggressive strategy. But yes, anyways, we are gonna be having another live stream tomorrow. Tomorrow will be the last one for the week. Tomorrow is Friday. So thank you again for tuning in. And we'll see you on the next one.
Thank you guys for being the best. See you guys next time.